Uria a kaunti ya Garissa nimokiriire thirikari na gikundi gĩa kuhurana na ihoto cia muingi kia unhcr na kiria moigete ati ni kirehithitie moko hari kana guthukia mitaratara iria gikoretwo kuo. Kuringana na chibu kula abdi, dekow aikari a kaunti no ni matigite mitaratara na gukorwo makiri na ihinda irito mitaratara ya kugitira maria matùrigiceirie andu uria ugukorwo ugitabanio ni ethari ngùI a mwena uyu na gukorwo makirehe kana ukoretwo kirehe unangiki munene wa maria matùrigiceirie.
Because here, as we know, Liboi is a borderline between Garissa, between Kenya and Somalia, and we are the gateway where the refugees come through. The refugees come through directly from Liboi, and they're hosted in the refugee camp. That's the depth. But we are not getting any benefit.
We came because of this huge, massive destruction. This is something unacceptable. We always knew that the refugees, of course, we are welcome to our midst. We knew that they were cutting trees for food, for their cooking requirements. But we never imagined that a day will come when they will cause such massive destruction.
They have done away and they completely finished the other trees. Now they have come to a kiria. And that's one of the most important tree we have across the county.
What we have witnessed here is catastrophic. We have around 94 donkey carts, all carrying live indigenous trees, mature trees that has been cut and is used for commercial purpose. It's very worrying. And all these donkey carts are from the refugee camps.
It's going on for some time now, and I'm glad that the governor and our area MP have taken action. I'll pass some message to the refugees. I'll also share the same with the unhcr organs. This obviously cannot continue. The process has really converted an otherwise green area into a desert. So soon, if we don't take an action, this will be a vast desert. Yeah, so this we cannot accept. As the camp manager of the refugee camps, I can take steps to ensure that we curtail the freedom of movement of the refugees into areas where they can cause such damage. Yeah.
Na aikari a Baragoi thini wa kaunti ya Samburu marina gitumi gya